As a manufacturer, before my Caribou, of course, there was no easy way to source distributor, honestly. What I found to be the best approach is actually to leverage the network. So we would discuss with other distributors in other areas or other countries for recommendation of who they know are good partners in neighboring countries, for example. Or if you have a strong partner in acute care, who would be a good partner in extended care. So we would try to leverage the word of mouth, as Adela said, as much as we can, because typically you would have better quality of names. The other approach is very traditional, would be the trade shows, the Medicas and the Arab Health and the Hospitalar and so forth, to try to look for distributors that indeed would carry would be present in the segment, but would not have a competitor product. So complementary products. Some companies, for example, that are in the OR, but not with your products. Like, for example, you have surgical gloves. There's plenty of people would be in the OR selling some type of products to OR nurses or even surgeons, but would not have the gloves, for example. So those would be the scenarios that we go after. And then as a distributor, it's slightly different. I'm sure Sandi will have a lot more details, but I think for us, what really worked well was a very proactive approach based on customer needs. So it was really about addressing portfolio gaps or looking for innovation, an innovative approach to solve a customer challenge. So it really started by listening to the customers, understanding what they were buying, what they were purchasing, what would be a nice complement to the portfolio, and then be proactively around finding companies that would be able to supply those products that would not be represented in the countries where we are or would not be significantly present. So that would be really how we would go after sourcing the products for the portfolio.